In each situation below, determine if the forces are in equilibrium. If not, determine the acceleration of the object stating the direction. So let's start looking at the horizontal here. 30 newtons, 10 and 20. So those are balanced. 30 this way, 30 that way. If we look at the vertical, however, this one is 10 and this one is 20. So overall, that gives us a resultant of 10 newtons upwards. So that's going to accelerate, and we can use F equals ma. The resultant force was 10, the mass is 2, and so the acceleration would be 5 meters per second squared. And of course, it would be in this direction, the direction of the resultant force. If we come to the second diagram, 30, 10 and 20, so that's just the same as the other diagram, so we're in equilibrium horizontally. And look at the direction of this arrow. So altogether we've got 20 newtons acting this way, and we've got 20 newtons that way, and therefore we're in equilibrium vertically as well. So overall we are in equilibrium.